This is Alan, you're watching Program File. Tech is making its way into every industry, which means producing more using fewer people. So if you want to give yourself an edge, you need to be in tech. The thing is, everyone already programs. When you set your alarm clock, you're programming. When you tell your microwave to run for 1 minute, you're programming. You're issuing commands to electronic devices, and they carry out your commands. Coding is about putting those commands into language. If you're interested in coding and don't know where to start, we can start right now. Your desktop browser has developer tools built in, so let's open them up. From almost any web page, you can access the developer tools by right-clicking somewhere blank on the page and clicking Inspect. Or by clicking the three-dot menu on the top right corner, clicking More Tools and Developer Tools. Once you're here, make sure you have Console selected on the top. And you may want to dock this to the bottom of the screen to make it easier to follow along. So click the three-dot menu within DevTools and then select Dock to Bottom. You can resize this to make it bigger. What we're looking at here is called a REPL. REPL stands for Read, Execute, Print, Loop. What that means is you can write some code, press enter, and it'll execute that code and print the results. So let's try that. Go ahead and open up your DevTools, type 1+1 and press enter. You see it printed out 2. If you were following along, then congrats, you just ran your first line of code. Alright, so we're obviously just scratching the surface here, but you've got to start somewhere. Poke around those DevTools and see what you can find out on your own. Let me know in the comments what you find out. So if you want to learn more, how to code, how to make an app, how to make a game, how to land a job at a big tech company, hit subscribe and follow along. And if you want to get involved in this project, head over to programfile.com to find out how, and I'll see you next time.